KG to PG education, now free in Odisha. No application needed for fee refunds. 75% attendance mandatory to avail benefits. New commitment to ensure transparency and fair fees. Odisha is making a big move in education, and it could change the future of lakhs of students. The Odisha government has officially rolled out the Standard Operating Procedure or SOP for the ambitious free education from KG to PG scheme. Yes, you heard that right, from kindergarten all the way to post-graduation. So what does this actually mean for students and families? Let's break it down. First, the government has clearly outlined how admission fee refunds will work. Once the first phase of enrollment is completed, students who have already paid their fees will get their money back. And here's the best part, you don't need to apply again. All payments were made online, so the government already has a complete digital record. Refunds will be directly transferred to the same bank account used during admission, making the process smooth, quick and transparent. Students will simply be asked to confirm whether they want the refund in the same account, and that's it. Now let's talk about higher education. Nearly 80,000 students had taken admission, but around 65,000 later changed their choices. So the government has decided that refunds will be processed only after the entire admission cycle is completed, ensuring accuracy and fairness. To maintain transparency, a state-level fee regulation committee will be formed. This committee will be led by the Education Secretary and will include college principals and government-appointed members. State-level fee regulation committee. What's their job? To decide proper fee structures and ensure that everything stays fair and regulated. But there's also a rule students must follow. To continue benefiting from this free education scheme, students must maintain at least 75% attendance. Colleges will submit digital attendance reports to the government for verification. This step is crucial to prevent misuse of the scheme and ensure that only serious students benefit. Interestingly, this move also follows recommendations from the Comptroller and Auditor General (CAG), especially regarding better monitoring of scholarship schemes. Another important update is aided colleges will receive government funds within the same financial year, ensuring there are no delays in payments. According to Odisha's Higher Education Minister Suryavanshi Suraj, the SOP has already been circulated to all colleges across the state.
Basic essence टा कौन, basic objective टा कौन, अनेक समय रे आर्थिक अनटन कारणरू बहु छात्र छात्री सेमाने उच्च शिक्षा लाभ करिवारे सक्षम होंगे नहीं. समस्तंको पाई उच्च शिक्षा एवं ये जो केजी रु पीजी निशुल्क करिबा पछरे बड़ उद्देश्य रही कहीं भी छात्र छात्री विद्यार्थी गोटे बेसिक हायर एजुकेशन रु वंचित न हो. एसओपी आज आमे प्रदान करूछु सबु उच्च शिक्षानुष्ठान गुडी को राज्यर समस्त सरकारी विश्वविद्यालय, समस्त सरकारी महाविद्यालय एवं बेसरकारी अनुदान प्राप्त बेसरकारी सरकारी अनुदान प्राप्त महाविद्यालय गुडी को स्नातक और स्नातक श्रेणी नियमित पाठ्यक्रम रे ना लिखुथुबा छात्र छात्री मानकु कोनोसी शुल्क दबाकु पड़े.
So what's the bigger picture? The government believes this initiative will reduce financial pressure on families, improve access to education, and encourage more students to pursue higher studies. In simple words, education in Odisha is becoming more accessible, more transparent, and more inclusive. Now the real question is, will this model inspire other states to follow? Let us know what you think, and don't forget to like, share, and follow for more such important updates.